Obaseki is not even eligible to contest, Oshomole said. Former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Comrade Adams Oshomole, has said that Governor Godwin Obaseki does not pose any threat to the APC candidate, Osagi Ize Iyamu, in the forthcoming governorship election. Addressing the party faithful on Sunday, Oshomole said that Obaseki is not even eligible to contest for the election. Oshomole said that it was a known fact that Ize Iyamu, the APC candidate, finished from law school, adding that his former classmates have testified to that. According to the former governor of Edo State, Obaseki is not a threat. How can a man who is eligible for election be a threat? I was a governor and I did election and won in 2012, and not one life was lost. None was also lost in my time when Obaseki, won. Obaseki cannot point to new primary and secondary school he has built in 4 years. Osagi Ize Iyamu finished from law school. His former classmates have testified to that. We knew about Governor Obaseki's credentials after PDP took him to court. Thank you for listening to this news. What is the problem of Oshomole? Can someone please pinpoint what the problem of Oshomole could be? I don't know what is his problem. Why is he still revisiting the whole story? Why is he still revisiting the past story, something that has happened in the past? Why? What is his problem? You can see that Oshomole is a critic and a biased human being. He never knew that Obaseki is not qualified when he supported him in his first tenure as a governor. It is now that they both are now having rifts, that he is now pointing and saying that Obaseki is not qualified. You can see that Oshomole is a Confucianist. Or what do we call that? What do we call someone that hits the heads of two people together? What do we call someone that pushed people to the wall or dip people's hand on fire? What do we call such a person? Oshomole will never change. He will never change and will never change. He keeps behaving like a kid. Why? And what is his problem? What is his problem? Who has offended him? Who has done this to him? Can't he allow the sleeping dog to lie? Can't he? He did the one he did that made Obaseki to leave APC by disqualifying him in the primary. Now, Oshomole have proved to him that truly he went to school and he graduated and he has his NYC certificate, and that has been shown, and that is what has made him to succeed as a as a governor representing PDP. Now he has bounced to primary and secondary school certificates. You can see that this Oshomole is a complete Confucianist and a troublemaker. He's a troublemaker. I'm telling you the truth, and that is it. What do we call such a person? troublesome person. I can see that. No wonder when he was a governor, you need to see the havoc he was causing as a governor, even as a leader. Eh? He was the chairman of APC. See the havoc he was causing problem here and there. Eh? It's not comfortable one bit. What is his problem? Who has done this to him? Who has offended him? I want to believe that no one offended him. He is the one that offended himself. Why? Why is he doing that? Why can't he change? Why can't he change his ways? Why can't he allow the sleeping dog to lie? What is his problem? Adams Oshiomhole should be very careful. Should be very, very careful, because the chaos and the problem he caused in APC is yet to be solved. It's yet to be solved. APC is still trying to heal the wound that he has caused in APC. That APC is having problem right now. Oshiomhole is the cause of the problem. Is the cause of the problem. And he has refused to change. He has refused to change his ways. And I discovered one thing. He talks too much. He talks too much and he has refused to change. Why? This is why Obaseki really need to do something concerning that day of election. Because I'm seeing Oshiomhole causing a very serious havoc on that day. A very serious havoc. If it takes the people tying him down, they should tie him down until the election is over, not minding who he is. Because he has really messed himself up. He has messed himself up. Why? Why must he be doing that? I wonder. My viewers, you really need to come into this issue. You really, really need to come into this issue. Please, don't hesitate to leave them behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.